How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video will be on XPEV XPENG Incorporated, another electric vehicle company. If you guys aren't familiar with this one, today's made a brand new high for this ticker symbol, up $5.78, just above 12%. Like I said, hit a new high right there at 56.77. So we'll go ahead and make that the green dotted line to represent the ultimate price target and what to reach. VWAP is on our side right there at $53.14. Right now at $53.90, so just above it. It is on our side, and really, if I take you back to the 20-day chart, as VWAP always does, it rides it. But in this case, it really is major support and resistance. For example, if I pull up, I don't know, this may be a bad example after all. I guess it was. All right, just pretend I didn't say that. Okay, so we'll switch over to earnings. Negative 32 cents. Obviously, anything negative for a company is bad, but I'm assuming right here, if I take you out to the, yep, it is the first released earnings. So this is like a stepping stone to build upon next quarter and a couple quarters after that. Will the company be headed in the positive direction? I think it will be. You have the whole electric vehicle sector pushing up right now. SOLO, NIO, Tesla. That's really my major four right now for electric vehicles. And also RIDE, Lordstown Motors, which is a very good company. If you guys haven't done that, check that one out already. Now, if for support, I would like to stay above VWAP, but in any case, I really would like to stay above that 51.24 level, since this was the it was the ultimate level to beat. And once we broke it, it was really just went up $5, like nothing ever happened. A very good stock. Charge the thing here. If we go to the 1-year chart, I'll show you the volume. It has 77 million shares. A lot of eyes on it. Really good, especially for a $56 company. Not many beginner traders have, at least $56 to buy one share. In here, there's 77 million shares being traded. The low of I guess fairly new ticker, just at the end of August, or end of September, beginning of August. I'm sorry. Beginning of August, end of August. I'm losing it, guys. A low of $17.11, hit a high, like I said, $56. So when you had that much increase, and really it has been pulling back, just take a look at the chart, guys. Pushed up, pulled back, pushed up, pulled back, pushed up. I do think we'll see a pullback, but I really wanted to stay above the 51.24 level. Just like this one. This pump up, you really needed to stay above the 29.68, because that level just putting it right back where it was. Could have been a pump and dump, but no, it came down, and the lowest it came down to was $30. A great price to buy. I mean, if you couldn't get it at 17.11, you would have bought it at 26. That would have been chasing, in my opinion. But wait for that pullback, guys, and that's exactly what it did, and it skyrocketed up. And if you guys traded it, you got some money. Congratulations for you, those who did. Now, like I said, we could see a push. It is Friday, so next week we could see a push to $60. If I take you to NIO, I was telling you guys that NIO, XPEV is NIO's little brother, but really obviously hit more highs. And I feel that I honestly, maybe just because it's a newer ticker, but I really don't know why, because if we take a look at the news on XPEV, I don't think they sold as many cars as NIO did. So I'm a bit, maybe just the price target by Citigroup, that could be ahead. It could be a much more value company than NIO. So it's really just sympathy momentum today. XPENG presents P7 Wing Limited Edition. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, scratch all what I just said. Look at that car. All electric. This is XPEV. XPENG, this is their car that they released today, if I'm not mistaken. If I read that right, Chinese smart electric group company today unveiled the P7 Wing, the limited edition of its P7 super long range sports sedan at the 2020 auto show in that city. Wow, guys, I really recommend you guys check this company out. I actually did not even read the news on it today, which I probably should have, but all right. Now, I don't think NIO had this much news on it today. So, XPEV, I will tell you this, my final statement on this. I do see this being a $100 company. I really do. And now, obviously, with any new company, if that car starts blowing up just because of simple fixes, the stock's going to tank, just like Tesla did with it. They didn't really, Tesla obviously didn't tank because it's so well known, but they had a problem with their Model X and Y, if not mistaken, about the whole circuit board. So that pushed, I think, the stock down like 20, $30. Granted, it's $500. Just hit it now. It could go back down to $20. It very well can. I don't think it will because I don't, it's 2020. Electric vehicles are being pushed out, but now the safety that like you have to have and even a gasoline car, you have to have safeties now. And I'm just very bullish on the whole electric vehicle sector. I really am. I didn't get to trade it, but I did trade it right here. I bought at, I must have bought at 26. I think I did. And granted, obviously, guys, I should have held, but I sold at $30. I took my profit and ran. Again, guys, I'm not mistaken. I think that's what I bought it for. It was a while ago now. Yeah, 2 weeks ago now, almost. Wow. Time is moving fast. $56. I take you out to, we'll take a look at Tesla's chart, guys. Now, am I saying it's going to be $500? No, I'm not going to say that. But Tesla's new high and NIO roughly new high a couple days. Was it today? Today's new high. Solo, today's not new high because Solo's a little weird. If I take you out to the 20-year chart, it shows that it traded from October 9th, but then it stopped trading. So this may be there's a little glitch in TD Ameritrade, but then picked back up just recently in June. So that is a bit weird, and I understand it. If you guys know, let me leave it in the comment section down below. Actually, I'll take you back to XPEV. All right, so let's see if we can find some more news on it. Well, that was news on it today, but yeah, I don't think they were saying that they had any, because I know NIO said they had 5,500 cars being sold, but I don't think XPEV did. We'll have to see it. Now, I do think they're going to be releasing news, probably because Q4 is obviously ending here in a couple of months. So, final statement, guys. I am very bullish on it. It's pushing up even right now, 54.30, pushing off right off that VWAP at 53.714. So if we can stay above that 51.24 level, and then if we break that, I really don't want to see it going past $50, just because it's overall bullish. But if it's a pullback, I respect pullbacks. $48 is another level I would like to see. But alright, guys, that was XPEV. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.